Alright, we're going to go ahead and finish up putting the rest of this stuff on. We got the supports here, got to put the grill on, the grill guard, and then skid plates. But before we put the grill on, I'm going to go ahead and pull the vacuum on the AC, make sure everything's good there, and then we'll charge it up. And then we'll go from there. While it's pulling the vacuum, we'll go ahead and put the hood on and all the other little shit. Alright, we've had it vacuuming roughly about 45 minutes. We did shut the vacuum off and close the valves and watch the gauges for about 10, and we had no signs of leaks. So put it back on a vacuum. About 45 minutes to an hour total. Longer the better, especially down here in South Texas. We got a lot of humidity. And we just had a lot of rain to go with it. So, but we're gonna go ahead and get it charged up and go from there. Once it's charged up, we'll put the grill on, the grill guard, and the skid plates. Pressures are good, AC's blowing cold out of the vents. We're good. We're gonna wrap it up for the night, get home, and we'll finish up the rest of this tomorrow. Alright, good morning everyone, we're back at it. We're gonna go ahead and finish up doing the grill and the grill guard and the skid plates and everything. I went ahead and checked fluids already this morning after it sat overnight, just to make sure everything was good. Everything checked out good. I had to add about half a gallon to the radiator, which is expected. But we're going to go ahead and get the grill and grill guard back on, get the skid plates back on. That way the customer can have his truck back for driving around and doing whatever. So, stay tuned. everybody, we got everything back together on this Toyota. Engine swap was successful and whatnot. Thing runs good. Took it for about a 5-mile test drive, just up and down gravel roads. Everything seems to be good. Customer's going to go pick it up. Hopefully he's happy with it. So, anyways, that's the process of doing a 2.7 liter on a 2013 Tacoma. Two-wheel drive pre-run. A little bit of a pain in the butt if you ain't got a lift, but should be good to go. Anyways, y'all like what y'all see, feel free to like and share the content. Hit that subscribe button if you want to see more videos like this. There'll be more to come in the future. So y'all have a nice day. See y'all in the next one.